Okay, this is a brief demonstration of using course copy to move a career essential assessment goal and alignment over to another course. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to use course copy to move an entire course's contents over, including the career essentials assessment. So in this example course, you'll see I have one way of setting up the career essentials assessment set up as an assignment, but I also have it set up in this course as the alternate version of the parallel assessment through a standalone Grade Center column. And so I'm just going to check on that to make sure that this column has the rubric aligned to it as expected, and it does have the alignment associated with it, like so. Okay, another way to check on that is if you were to go to your course tools and go to goal performance and select a student, you'll be able to see whether a goal is aligned with anything and also how many assessments are aligned to the goal. So you'll see here are the two assessments that are associated with the goal. Okay, so moving forwards, I'm going to use course copy to move this content over to another course. So I'm going to go to Packages and Utilities, Course Copy. I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to find the other course that I wanted to send this to. Let's say I want to put this into my example course 3. Click Submit. And here's the important part. When you use the course copy function, I recommend choosing Select All to make sure that any content area that is associated with the Career Essential, the content alignments option is selected. That's important. And the Grade Center is selected. That is also important. And then the rubrics area, that is also important. So to repeat, the important areas that must come over together for this to go over intact, you have to have the content area where the Career Essential assessment is posted if it's an assignment. You also need to have content alignment selected. You also need to have rubrics and Grade Center selected. Missing one of these features will cause the Career Essential to break in the destination course. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click Submit, and the course copy process has been queued up, and I'll just go to the other course to see if we have any progress yet. Not yet. So I'll just wait a moment. Let's take a look and see if there's anything here. Okay, we got some stuff coming in. So I'm going to go first of all to check my weekly lessons area to look for that Career Essential assessment, and it came over with the goal. That's great. And I'm going to check it for the rubric. There it is. That's good. So that looks good. That came over good. Alright, and now I'm going to check the other Career Essential. I'm going to go to the Grade Center, and here is the column for that parallel Career Essential assessment that was set up. And I'm going to look at the View Add Alignments area. The goal is there. That's good. And I'm going to check for the rubric, and it is there as well. So this appears to have been successful because I included all of those required elements together in the course copy process. Okay, and I'm just going to go to Course Tools and go to Goal Performance and just check on this as a final step. There it is. I could see here's the goal. It's associated with 2 assessments as expected. Great. And then if I go to rubrics, I'm going to see there are my rubrics. If I click on the down arrow next to my Career Essential rubric and go to View Associated Content, I'm going to see exactly where this rubric is aligned. So that looks great too. Okay, so this seems to be working as expected.